Hello guys, welcome to DIGITOSS. This is Manish and today we are going to learn how to set up Google Adwords search campaign. This is Google Adwords tutorial 3rd, and in this tutorial you will learn how to set up search campaign. So let's start guys. Okay, so this is our campaign, our account which we have created. So in previous video we have simply created our campaign, right? As you know how we can check our campaign. So this is the campaign. So let's go into the campaign. Just click on that. Now we are our first campaign, sample search campaign 1, which we have named. Okay, so now I will tell you step by step how to create your search campaign. This is our search campaign. Here you can see type search network only. So now just see this how we create search campaign. Okay, so first step, just go to the setting. So this is the whole setting of search campaign, and I just want to tell you guys that what is the structure of campaign. It's not only about the search display. This is the main structure which is going to used in every campaign. So this is very important, so please learn this structure first. So what is Adword campaign structure? Say this is the account, right, which we have created. Then under account we create campaign. You can create numbers of campaign 1, 2, 3 or 1000 or and many more. Then under campaign we create ad groups, right? So in one campaign we create numbers of ad groups. Similarly in campaign 2 you will create ad group 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then under ad group you create ads. Okay, and under ad group you also create keywords, or you use keywords on which your ad will trigger, and then it will start appear on that particular keyword. So guys, this is the structure. This is called the Adword campaign structure. So account, campaign, ad group, ads and keywords. This is very important guys. So just learn this campaign structure first, so that you will get an idea about the basic of the structure of this Google Adword campaign or Google Adword. Okay, so what is next? The campaign types. So what are the ways in which we can create our campaign? So first is called the standard ads, and the second is called the all features ads, right? And I can show you here. So guys, let's see where are these features. Here. So whenever you want to change any settings, so you will have to go inside the setting of the campaign. This is the setting tab, and now we are looking into the settings of our search campaign, right? Type is search. So let's see type. If you remember, in previous video when we have created our first campaign, so then I had not described you these features properly, because then at that time I wanted to teach you first the basic of that setting up the Adword campaign or account. But in this video we will learn in detail. So what is this standard and what is this all feature? What is the difference between standard and all feature ad? As we can see, standard keyword targeting text ads showing on Google search network, and in all feature, all the feature and the option available for search network. Same is mentioned here. So what is this basically? See, if you want to create a simple ad, right, then you will go with standard ads. So it includes all the standard ads and mobile settings plus delivery, ad delivery method and all extension available to use on the search network. And When you will use all feature, this let you choose from the advert features available within the search network, including mobile settings, advanced location, ad delivery methods, and ad extensions. So ad extension you will get in a both feature, but what is the difference? What extra you will get in the all feature setting? So you will get mobile setting, advanced location settings, ad delivery methods. So if your objective, if you want to access all the available features of AdWords within the search, so this is very good option for you guys. Now how we can see, let's go back to our campaign. So let's say first I will show the standard, what we will get in standard feature. Okay, so I selected standard ads, simply I saved. Now you can see, now see devices. Yes, I'm getting the feature, devices feature, network feature, that's fine. I can change the bid here, and I will go back to the setting. So what I can see device, location, language, bid strategy, and budget. That's it. So this is the standard ad, so I can either change my target location, I can edit where I want to show my ad, and I can change the languages of my ad. These are the languages which I can use. Then budget, what is my manual CPC, and then my daily budget. So only these features I can use in my search ad if I have selected search network standard. Okay, but when I select all features, okay, now see the difference. Now what I'm getting here, I'm getting extra location option. This is called advanced location feature. So here I can target or exclude the people as per my business, as per my location. So these are the extra settings, which I'm getting in the all features. Similarly, in budget or in delivery method, in previously when we have selected the standard ad, then we were not able to see this feature, like delivery method, like how you want to deliver your ads. If you want to in standard, so then I will create with the standard ads, but this feature was not available in the standard. So this is the difference between standard ad and all features ad. So I'll always recommend you guys, so always go with the all features. And if you don't want to go into the all feature, if you don't want to use all features, so standard ads also is fine, but it will restrict your campaign optimization. If your business objective is very small, so then you can go with standard ads. But if you want to optimize your business objective is very niche, right, very target specific, so then I will recommend you all features. Okay, so what is next? Networks. A group of search related websites and app including Google Search, Google Play, and other Google sites like shopping and maps. It also includes hundreds of search sites that partner with Google. Now what is this networks? This is the network. Now I can edit. So if you want to show, if you want to if you want to create your ad and you want that your ad should appear your ads should appear only in Google Search, so then you will select Google Search. But if you want that my ad should also visible on the networks, including Google Search partners, so then you will also take the search network. So this is the only difference, guys. So you can go with the both, that's fine. Then devices, right? So here you can change the bid of your devices. How? Just click on that link. Now see, my computer computer, you can adjust your computer bid, your mobile bid, and your tablets bids, right? Like let's suppose you have selected what is your CPC. Let's see, in all settings we have used bid strategy, manual, just wait guys, let me see the ad group campaign, the ad group. It's the ad group. Okay, so our default CPC was 0.10, or let's say it 1 rupee. Okay, so this is my CPC, 1 rupee, but I want what I want that whenever my ad will appear on mobile and tablet, so my CPC should be less than 1 rupees, like by percentage you can say. So on mobile bid I want to set my CPC 50%, and on tablet I want to set my CPC 80% less of my desktop. So by default, whenever you create whenever you set your CPC, so this is for all the devices, like for desktop, for mobile, and for tablet, you are giving 1 rupee for per click. But when you want that for desktop I want to pay 1 rupees, but for mobile I want to pay only 50 paise. So how you will optimize? Then you will go with the device settings. So here you will click change device bid adjustment. So as if you want to use just 1 rupee, so don't change this, just go with the mobile and then decrease your bid by 50%. So see, Google also showing an example, like for example a rupees, if your bid is 100 rupees, so on mobile your bid would be 5 rupees. So when we have as we have used 1 rupees on mobile my bid would be 50 paise. Okay, save it. Similarly on tablet, decreased by, and if you want to increase, so you can also increase by the percentage, decrease by 50%. So what I have done right now, I have set up the CPC for mobile and tablets less than my desktop, and the percentage is 50% less. Okay, so this is called the device targeting. See, your ad will appear on all devices like mobile, desktop, and tabs. Now next is advanced location. Again, go back to your settings. So till yet we have covered our campaign, our types, as now you know what are the types with features. Then network, devices we have covered already. Location you already know, like where you want to target. As we know, in this campaign we have targeted Canada, India, and United States, just for an example. Now location advanced option, this is called advanced feature of your location. Okay, so what you want to target, that's fine. I have targeted Canada, India, like these are my locations. Or just go with the one location right now. Let's just go with India. Okay, so now my target country is India, like my ad will appear in India only. But what if someone is in UK, right, and he in the next 3 months he is coming to India for visit, right, just in, right? So for this campaign, for this type of activity, Google provides advanced features in target. So these are the 3 features, like people in searching for or who show interest in my target location. Second is people in my target location only, and third is people searching for or who show interest in my target location. And this these three options, it's for many people it's very confusing because it seems similar. Like if you'll see first option, people in searching for or who show interest in my target location, and the last one, people in searching for who show interest in my target location. So both are same, but no, it's not same. There's a bit difference. So let's cover what is it. So first option, which is recommended by Google. Okay, so let's go with an example, guys. Let's say you have a Los Angeles based taxi company, okay, and you want to reach both people in Los Angeles looking for a cab as well as anyone who is interested in finding a company in Los Angeles for an upcoming trip. So what is the meaning of this phrase, upcoming trip? See, this is my keyword taxi. I want to show my ad on taxi keyword. Okay, now by using the default setting which is recommended to reach people in searching for or show interest in my target location, your ads can appear for people in Los Angeles. This is your target location. You have selected the location Los Angeles. Okay, so your ad will appear in Los Angeles, but as well as people throughout the world searching for or showing interest in Los Angeles taxi, they can also see your ad. So it means if you selected the first option which is recommended by Google, so in that, whichever is your target location, but out of your target location your ad will be appear too. This is the meaning of this first location or first option. Okay, let's see this example in detail. These are the locations, process locations: Los Angeles, New York, Los Angeles and Paris. But my keyword is taxi, and where my ad eligible to show? In Los Angeles, yes. In New York, yes, they can see. People in Paris and France, they can also see my ad because I have selected the first option. This is the option. The first option is very useful if you have either either one business in multiple countries or in multiple locations, or you have, let's say you have a business in India, and if anyone looking for an Indian business from UK, so in that scenario this option will this option is very useful, because then it will not restrict the outsider user which is gonna try your service. So this is the first option. Now what is the next is people in my targeted location. Okay, so in this, if someone is located in your searches or your selected target location, you add. If someone located in New York, sorry guys, let's say our first my location is Los Angeles, keyword is same, taxi. So I have selected reach people in my target location. So in this case, my ad will appear only in Los Angeles, not beyond Los Angeles. My ad will show. Okay, this is the simple example. Like if someone is located in New York and searches for Los Angeles taxi, your ads won't appear even though the location Los Angeles is in her search. Okay, so this is a detailed example. Like these are the personal location, again Los Angeles, New York, Los Angeles, Los Angeles. But I have selected like my ad should display only in Los Angeles location. So if a person is in Los Angeles, then only we can see my ad. So in this option, the person should physically located in your target location. Okay, this is the simple explanation of the second feature. Now let's go with the third one. People searching for or who show interest in my target location. There's a bit difference between the first one and this one. Again, go with the example. Consider your Los Angeles taxi company again. You decide you want to reach any people in the US who are searching explicitly for the taxis in Los Angeles. Means he's searching clearly for Los Angeles taxis. Okay, he's searching only for taxis in Los Angeles. So then in this case you can use the third one, this option, third option. Like these are the personal location in Los Angeles. He has searched taxi, but he won't be able to see your ad. Whether your location was Los Angeles and his location also is Los Angeles, but he won't be able to see because you just mentioned to Google that my ad should display clearly for taxis in Los Angeles. Now let's go. It means like your ad will appear if he's particularly looking for that services which you have mentioned. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether he's in your location or it's outside of your selected location. Like let's see, in the second case my target location was Los Angeles, but this guy is in New York, but still he's able to see my ads. Why? Because he has mentioned Los Angeles taxi in his search query. Like see, he was searching for or showing interest for Los Angeles taxi. Okay, now again, this person is in Los Angeles, my target location is Los Angeles, but still he is not able to see because he has not mentioned Los Angeles taxi in his search term. So it means if he's searching your particular keyword, your keyword plus your location, then he can see your ad whether he is in your targeted location or not. See, this person is in Paris, right? But still he is able to see your ad because he has mentioned Los Angeles taxi, right? If he would have mentioned only taxi, then this person is also won't be able to see your ad. So guys, this is the major difference of these three locations. I hope it is clear now. Okay, so let's go with the first one, or you just select it, second one, just save it. Similarly, if you want to exclude, then as now you know the first option, what was the explanation for that. So if you want to exclude that one, so you can exclude. If you want to exclude the second one, you can also exclude. But this option will be beneficial if you have multiple locations, because if you have selected only India and you will exclude India, so you add your campaign will not run because you have selected only one location, and in the exclude you excluded that location. Okay, so this is the only difference, guys. Now what is next? Bid strategy. Okay, so guys, this is the bid strategy. In bid strategy, how we bid basically. So first is automatically, second one is enhanced CPC, and first is automatic and second is manual. In automatic, Adwords automatically set up your bid and charge you as per the delivery. Okay, like search pages, location, CPRA, ROS, maximum clicks, how much clicks you have got on your ad, how much was the enhanced CPC. So this is the automatic bidding method first. Second is manual. In manual bidding, as it's clear by its name, you set your bidding amount as per your budget. Okay, and then the third is enhanced CPC. What is enhanced CPC? See, this method you can only use when you will have some conversions, when you will have some data on your live campaign, then only you can use enhance. So what enhanced CPC basically, based on your conversion and tracking data, enhanced CPC bidding can raise your bid. This method automatically raises your bid up to 30%, or can also lower your bid as much as 100% for the click that seems less likely to convert. So in this method, the Google will automatically see, okay, which bidding amount is good for you or which is not beneficial for you. So it will update automatically. So these are the bidding strategy method, guys. Okay, so enhance CPC. This is, see, unavailable because conversion tracking is not set up. And for this, this is very important, that this is not even important, is a must. You have to set up a conversion tracking. Okay, now if I change the bid strategies, so see, these are the manual, and then there are the other methods, like this is the automatic. So in automatic, you can target either, if you want your page location, like I want my ad on the first page of Google search, so then you will use this one. What is CPA, cost per acquisition? Like if you want that I will pay when anybody will buy something on my website or use my service or just download some songs or some form in my website, so then you will set an amount, like I will give 10 rupees if someone purchase or someone uses my service. So this method is called target CPC. Similarly, return on investment, then target outranking share, maximize clicks. If you need maximum clicks, so then you will use maximize clicks. If you and enhance CPC, I have already described what is enhance CPC, and this is the manual CPC which you set as per your budget. This is recommendable, guys, for you, because if you have less budget, so I will say please go with the manual CPC, because even I use manual CPC, and it's been more than 8 years. I have worked with many big companies, and for the big e-commerce companies especially, because I'm an e-commerce expert, guys. So even in e-commerce company, we don't have any issue with the budget, but still we use manual CPC because it saves your money, guys. So always go with the manual CPC. Okay, so what next? We have covered manual CPC. Then there's a default bid. The default bid is your maximum cost per click for ads in the ad group. I'll show you what is default bid. Just go into your ad group. This is my ad group. See, default maximum CPC. So this is 1. So the maximum Google can charge on each click is 1 rupee. This is called default maximum CPC. Daily budget, yes, I think you know very well what is daily budget, but still I will just show you. This is called daily budget. What is the daily budget you want? This is basically the amount which you want to spend on daily basis. Just change the amount as per your goal and your target. Okay, then ad group, keywords and ads. So once we have set up, now I think, guys, I have clearly explained, I think, in detail what is these settings, or what are these features and why it is important. Okay, so once you have set up this setting, in the next you go into the tab for creating your ad group. Okay, because why we are creating ad group? As you can see, this is the structure, and once first we create account, then campaign, then ad group, and then ad and keyword. Okay, so now we are working on creating the ad group. So in ad group, basically you will divide your product. If you have multiple products, so you will create a group, and in that group you will create a different ads, and for different ads or for different group you will use a different keywords. So this is that's why ad group is very important, and the more as per your campaign, the more theme, the theme wise, if you create your ad group, so it would be very good for your campaign optimization first of all, and then it will also give you very good results. And why it is important, why the theme, theme wise ad group and keywords are important, that thing I will tell you in the next tutorial, guys, because this is the only part which is left in the search ad campaign. And if you will make any mistake in creating ad group and ads, then you gonna spend your whole money on search campaign without getting any single conversion. Okay, so right now we just created an ad group. This is the ad group, board simple. So what comes under ad group? Under ad groups we create ads or keyword and keyword. So this is the keyword. So how to set up keyword? Simply just click on the button, just type keyword whichever you want to use, like digital marketing. Here we can see a number of options. Add this, add this, add this. Now in the next tutorial I will tell you how you can customize these ad keywords and what are the best method to use the keywords. Okay, for example, for this video, just save it. Now you have added these keywords, and after once you have created your keywords, then I will create ad. Okay, this is the last step of creating your search campaign. So see, this is the ad which you have created in our previous video. Okay guys, so ad group, keyword we have covered. So that's it guys. So in next tutorial guys, we will learn setting up ad group with campaign theme and researched keyword, like how we can refine our keyword so that we can save our money, we can create our campaign easy to understand and easy to optimize. So thank you very much guys, and at last, yes, please guys, please share, subscribe, and if you have any query, please comment down below on this video. Bye bye guys.